into an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind. Ground likely while occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Nature's raging children. Remember, if you can hear thunder, struck by lightning, heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.